Today we're making a rich, creamy coconut, kale, and butterbean curry. Simple ingredients.
Let me show you every ingredient that we'll need before we start cooking.
We'll start with vegetable oil and a finely chopped onion. This builds our base.
Next, we have mustard seeds, coriander seeds, curry powder, garlic, and ginger.
And here's what brings it all together. Coconut milk, butter beans, curly kale, coriander, chili, and lime.
Here are the tools we'll use to make this curry. A spoon, a baking tray, a mixing bowl, a food processor, and a chef's knife.
Heat a large saucepan over medium heat, then pour in the vegetable oil.
Add the chopped onion and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until soft and translucent.
Now add mustard seeds, coriander seeds, curry powder, garlic, and ginger.
Cook for 2-3 minutes until fragrant and sizzling.
Pour in 600 ml coconut milk, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Add the butter beans and let it bubble for 10 minutes.
While that simmers, bake half the kale at 180 degrees Celsius for 8-10 minutes to make it crisp. Blend coriander, coconut milk, chili, lime juice, and salt into a smooth chutney. Stir the remaining kale into the curry, cover, and cook for 5 minutes. Finish with the rest of the lime juice, a touch of lime zest, and our coconut, kale, and butterbean curry is ready.
And now tonight's delight is ready.
Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes.